आता थेट जाणार आहोत दिल्लीमध्ये, कारण तिथे खास एनडीटीव्ही मराठीचं वर्ल्ड समिट सुरू आहे आणि टोनी अबॉट तिथे बोलतायत.
Modi. So, could you tell us about that?
I think what you're talking about, Vishnu, is sort of the Cold War hangover. I think that at least over the last 24 years, we've put that well and truly behind us. We now participate in the annual Malabar naval exercises. India, as I understand it, is now participating in our biannual Talisman Sabre exercise, one of the largest military exercises in the world that takes place in northern Australia. It was wonderful to see the...
Pitch Black, right?
Yeah, Talisman Sabre is the land exercise, Pitch Black is the air exercise. It was wonderful to see the very sophisticated exercises going on recently between the British Carrier Strike Group and the Indian Aircraft Carrier Force. So I think things are really picking up. But yeah, there was a period there. As I said, it was the unfortunate accompaniment of America's Cold War tilt to Pakistan, but excluding the tensions of the last couple of months, which I think is sort of like a passing sun shower, just a passing sun shower, not climate change, it's not climate change, it's just a bad weather event, that's all it is.
Before we wrap this up, I have to ask you about cricket, where we started off from. I'm absolutely certain India is going to trounce you guys.
Well, you didn't. I mean, we won 3-1 in the Test series.
Fluke.
And I think that the same thing can be expected in the one-day series. But I think what we can also be sure is that a magnificent spectacle will be provided and everyone who attends will be mesmerised by skill and sportsmanship.
Is cricket our biggest bond?
It's something important that we have in common. And I guess sport is a wonderful way of building character in individuals. It's a wonderful way of building friendship. I think team sport is a particularly important part of the formation of fine human beings. Certainly, team sport was a very important part of my early life, my young adulthood. I think it's wonderful that team sport, whether it be cricket or soccer, is really flourishing here in India. I think our schools would all be much better if sport was compulsory for everyone. I think too often these days teachers think, oh, it's all too hard to stay back after class and coach sporting teams. This is a very important part of a successful growing up.
Okay. I have a 30-second quick-fire round with you, putting you on the spot. This didn't feature in the list of themes which I sent across to you, so I was being a bit unfair then. Kohli or Steve Smith? Kohli or Steve Smith, who's better?
They're both superstars.
Jasprit Bumrah or Pat Cummins? Don't be a politician now.
I think Pat Cummins is probably one of the greatest bowlers.
Sachin Tendulkar or Ricky Ponting?
Tendulkar was a genius.
All right. And my very final question to you, surfing at Manly Beach.
Yes.
It's been a real joy for you, right? Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, I used to take my board out at about 6:30 in the morning, probably a couple of mornings a week when I was the member for the local area. And when my office would say, what the hell have you been doing this morning? I would say, I've been dropping in on my constituents.
It's been wonderful speaking to you, Mr. Abbott, and welcome back to India. And I think it's just wonderful that we have this super relationship. And, you know, despite any questions which I may have asked, I do believe it is democracy, which lies as the bedrock of this.
And could I just finish on this note? Sometimes the Western liberal or leftist press is critical of India under Modi. he's seen as a sort of a subcontinental Trump, and that's a criticism. I keep saying anyone who knows India appreciates it's got a riotously free media, it's got a robustly independent judiciary, and it has completely free and fair elections, and that's democracy.
Thank you so much, sir, for being with us. I'd now like to invite Kartikeya Haryani, the founder and CEO of ChartZone, to honor Tony Abbott, the former Prime Minister of Australia. If you can just come up onto the stage.
तो ऑस्ट्रेलियाच्या माजी पंतप्रधानांशी हा संवाद साधला जात होता आणि अतिशय ज्याला म्हणूयात आपण की संवाद जो आहे तो वेगळ्या पद्धतीने झालेला आहे आणि अगदी क्रिकेटवरती आणि त्याचबरोबरीने राजकारणावरती सुद्धा यात भाष्य झाले.